CK6194 CNC lathe. It is an efficient and high-precision metal turning equipment suitable for processing workpieces of various complex shapes. The lathe is equipped with a 4-jaw chuck, and the lathe guide span is 550 mm. VDI 8-station servo turret. The steady rest. Equipped with a manual tailstock. The lathe has a Cnc 8-to-8D system and free color warning light. Lubrication pump. Our lathes have side guards to ensure safety. All our lathes have 1 full year overseas warranty. If you are interested in this lathe, please contact us.